Hey everyone, RJ here. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be doing a brief unboxing on the Google Pixel 7. Okay, so we got the Pixel 7 here in lemongrass. Now, I did trade in my Pixel 6 for the Pixel 7. I purchased the Pixel 6 last year, and I got a really good trade-in deal, so I purchased the Pixel 7 here as well. Now, this, of course, is the 128 gig Pixel 7, 5G sub 6, all that kind of good stuff. Won't be, a full unboxing, but just kind of wanted to just, show off the phone and all that good stuff. So pull the phone out here, and of course, what comes into the box. Basically nothing but Type-C, Type-C, A to C transfer manual, and of course the phone here. So we'll go ahead and pull off this just like that, and we'll go ahead and power it up. Now I'll get it all set up, and I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, so we're all set up now and ready to go. Now, like I said, this is the lemongrass, and this color won't be for everyone. In certain lights, it does have that kind of 70s vibe, the color scheme, I guess you would say. But, I wanted something more than just a generic, white or black, so I went ahead and went with the lemongrass here. And what I do like about it is I like how this looks like a brushed aluminum, and also here on the sides as well. The way it's uniformed in, I do really like the way this looks. Chrome sides they're okay, but I just prefer this more, more brushed or a matte type finish here. I just like the way it looks. Now, of course, on the right side here is your power button and your volume rocker. On top is a secondary microphone. On the left, of course, is your SIM card slot, and on the bottom is your microphone, Type-C charger, and bottom firing speaker. And so getting to the phone here, of course, we do have face unlock, and we do have the fingerprint scanner that works just fine. Face unlock also works very quick, very fast. It works good. If it's like the 7 Pro, it works good in optimal, conditions, but if you're in low light, it struggles. Anyway, I'm going to go in here first things first, and I want to change this wallpaper because simply, I don't like the wallpaper. I just really don't. That's on there right now. So we'll go up here to the feathers, and I'll just pick something. We'll pick that there for the home and lock screen. And yeah, that looks a whole lot better right there. So yeah, I mean, the Pixel 7 coming in at $599, a really good price for what you're getting. You're getting the Tensor Gen 2 chip, 8 gigabytes of RAM. You got a choice of 128 or 256 gigabytes of storage, and it's just an overall, good feeling device. It reminds me a lot of the Pixel 6a. Now, if I do have some focusing issues here, I apologize. The lighting or something in here just not really doing too good with the focusing, but yeah, it'll all be okay. Now, I'm just going to go in here and look at a couple things. First of all, we're going to check for any updates, and right there, you see we got an update available already. Got all the gestures and, of course, the live translation, all that stuff there as well. Up here at the storage, out of 128 gigs, we got 113 gigabytes free. 15 gigabytes has already been used, so you got plenty of storage, Of course, you spend $100 more and get the double storage. The battery being, I think it's a 43 or 4400, 4300 is some change, I want to say it is. And so I'm really interested to see how this is going to stack up, from how the Pixel 6 on battery life was to the Pixel 7 with the Gen 2 Tensor with a smaller battery versus the Gen 1 Tensor with a bigger battery in the Pixel 6. So I'm going to turn on battery percentage there while I'm here. It's already on dark mode and everything. So yeah, it takes about a week really to see how your battery is going to work and be optimized to how you use your phone on a daily use. So basically, it's just your stock Pixel experience here. This is going to be a really nice phone if you want that flagship quality, the flagship power, and you don't want to spend $1,000 on the phone. $599 for this phone right here. And if you got a trade-in, who knows what you can get for a trade-in. I know that I got a really good deal at Best Buy. I think it was like 480 for the Pixel 6, and so that was a really good deal. And I had made a video about the Pixel 6, on my issues with the fingerprint scanner was horrible, and a few other things. So I, was really debating on trading it in, but I thought, why not go ahead and get a 7 and be done with it. Of course, get your dual camera back there, your main camera lens, of course, with your ultra wide. No telephoto here on the 7. You got IP68, dust and water resistance. You got the whole package here. So like I said, here is the Pixel 7, and I'm looking forward to testing it out on battery, testing it out on performance, testing it against the Pixel 7 Pro, and just see how it works on a day-to-day usage. But basically, the camera and everything, the cameras is going to be basically close to the same, other than the telephoto lens. You don't have that. However, you can go into 2 times and pinch that into 8 times zoom right there. Of course, video mode, front and rear, you can record at 4K at 30 and 60 frames per second, along with the speech enhancements, which helps reduce unwanted noises when you talk. So that's a really good feature to have there as well. So it's going to be a good, I have a feeling that Google really won with the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. So yeah, kind of wanted to just show y'all the Pixel 7 here in lemongrass. And so that's all I'm going to say right now. Stay tuned for follow-up videos on this and the Pixel 7 Pro. I got more updates, some more videos coming. If it's helpful in form of any way, hit the like button. Any questions you may have, leave it down below. If you're new around here and haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and clicking that bell on for notifications. I would appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.